So today I'm going to show you some settings that you can check in your Google Classroom, and you're going to have to do this per classroom. First thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to create a class really quick, and I'm going to call this my 2022 demo class. I'm going to leave the rest of this blank. I don't need that for right now. So once it brings up this new classroom, while we wait patiently, once it brings up this new classroom, a good thing to do is to hop on over here to the gears to customize your settings. Now you can customize a couple of things right here, like you can go to the stream settings. If I click on that, it'll take me to the same link, so you can click on the gear or click there. Takes you to the same page. So the first thing we want to do is we want to change from students can post and comment to only teachers can post and comment. You can allow students to post and comment, but you want to make sure that you have all those digital citizenship conversations ahead of time and you have some expectations that the students are aware of before you do that. So we're going to change this so only teachers can post or comment. The next thing we want to do is on the classwork on the stream, we want to hide the notifications. When you do that, it makes it so that on the classroom stream, it is just announcements and it's not classwork as well. So students always have to click on the classwork to see their classwork. So those are two things here. If you want to have guardian summaries, go ahead and turn those on. I'm going to leave that off here. And then the next thing, if you want your grades to show in Google Classroom, you can go ahead and show that or not. I'm going to save this. And the last thing I'm going to do before I exit out of everything here at Google Classroom is I'm going to hop down to the general settings all over. So I'm going to click on the 3 hot dogs and I'm going to scroll all the way down to the bottom to settings. Over here in the settings, this is where you're going to see your global settings for your notifications. So if you scroll down, you can choose to receive no email notifications, and then you can kind of go and choose exactly what notifications you want to see in your email. Remember, the emails that you receive are simply notifications. They tell you about things that have happened in Google Classroom. You can also do this per class. So if I turn this on, I can turn off notifications for classes that I don't want to receive them for. So those are some settings that you should check in Google Classroom every semester.